Here we are, guys. It's day 5, September 12th. And we're about to hit this ridge above us. See what we can't find. Get into another morning with no bugles. So we're kind of scratching our heads. And we're just going to go out, stomping the thickets, looking for sign. Maybe we can come across some bedded elk or maybe a walla, but we don't know. We're just winging it. We'll see how it goes anyways. But yeah, we're set in for the day. It's calling for rain, but right now it's just cloudy. So we'll see how that goes. But y'all stay tuned. We'll see. Another one. There's definitely been some elk here, particularly the bulls. We're just thinking maybe 5 to 7 days ago, because we found some piles of bull poop, and it's kind of dense on the outside, but really dry on the inside. So that's what's making us think that they come through here about 5 to 7 days ago. Hopefully, the further we drop, the fresher it gets. We're going to try and get around 9,800 or so. And there's some medicine stuff down there, but we're just going to take our time, just slipping through. Everything's damp, so it's a real good time to just ease, and we can be real quiet. We might cow-call a little bit, but maybe we'll slip up on one, but we're finally starting to find a little bit of sign. Stay tuned. We'll see. There you go. That's exciting. It's still oozing. That can't be no more than a day or two old. We're going to find the next opening and set up. Oh my God, there's another rub down there. It's finally starting to look good. We're going to find a spot to set up and see what we can come up with. Maybe call one in. If not, just take our time easing down this edge or this finger. Last thing I want to do is just run down there and bump him. So we'll see. We got all day. We're just going to slow play it. We slipped off this north side of the ridge because the wind's blowing south. We didn't want to blow out the whole south side of this ridge, so we slipped over here to try to protect it. We're on this elk trail, and right as we kind of picked out a spot to set up, Slim caught a big whiff of elk, and it's strong, so we're thinking they may be bedded right down here below us. So we're just going to hang out and see what happens. We got one knocked. We're ready to rock. We got this trail right beside us. It's pretty steep, but I'm liking it. We can see down here below us. It's kind of flattens out down there, makes like a bench that goes around. I caught that strong whiff of elk, and it's hitting us right in the face. They've got to be right down here somewhere. We're going to set up, see what happens. Update. About 35 minutes has gone by since our last check-in. And we dropped on down this ridge probably 50 yards or so. And the smell has intensified. It's definitely got stronger. So we're thinking that they've got to be right down here below us. Just directly downwind, or directly down below us, because the wind is hitting us right in the face, just right below us. So we're going to ease on down. See if we can creep up on whatever this is, bull or elk, or bull or cow. We're just going to tiptoe though, not push it. Be as quiet as possible, because it is dead calm here. We're going to go while the wind's in our favor. There's a big rock right there, if we can get to that rock. Push any further. Maybe get some cow calls from right here. Did it hit him? I don't know. I can't tell. It sounded like it hit a limb.
didn't sound like it hit him.
It hit a limb. It hit a freaking limb.
You had a clear shot, didn't you?
There's a couple. It was iffy. But he was about to work his way through there.
That was a big bull.
Dude. Oh my God. A freaking tree limb. What just there?
Exactly what we was hoping was going to happen.
Well.
Man, shot under him.
I don't think I did.
No?
I don't think so. I'm telling you, that tree limb had to screw it. For it to die down right here,
Yeah.
that tree limb had to whack. Found the arrow literally right underneath where the bull was standing. So that makes me really think that the tree limb screwed it bad. For it to deflect it that much and to be stuck in the ground right here. Because if it would have just sailed over his back, I mean, you think at this angle, it would have went a long ways.
Yeah.
You know?
So you think you shot over his back, and since you were so high, you hit the limb and it shot it down?
I don't know.
If you'd shot under the limb, you'd have hit it.
I have no clue. It hit the tree limb and went south.
Yeah. Either way, we found the arrow, which is good because we've only got 3.
It had to have hit that tree limb and then just shoot down. I can't tell you 100%.
Either way, the arrow's a clean miss.
And there was a lot of questions.
Yeah.
Clean miss. Arrow's still good. No blood. That's just part of it. That's how the cookie crumbles. We're gonna have some long faces for the rest of the day.
Maybe not.
Who knows? We'll see. Gotta stay positive.